Assalamu alaikum. Namaste. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is LearnEasy786. In the previous video, we have come to know the storyline of the novel Nirmala, written by the great novelist Munshi Premchand ji. Today we are going to see the Bhasha Shaili, that is language and style, intention and other things. Before that, as usual, a small request. Whoever not has subscribed my channel, subscribe so that you never miss my updates and you will be the first viewer of my uploads. Click the like button, press the bell icon. Come on, let us see the Bhasha Shaili. We have already seen the storyline Katha Vastu. Today we can see the Bhasha Shaili. To write the novel, storyline is compulsory, plot is compulsory. To make the plot interesting and very attractive, the language is style must and should. Every writer adopts different type of the style. Let us see what is the style of the great novelist Munshi Premchand ji. Bhasha Shaili, language style. उपन्यास सम्राट मुंशी प्रेमचंद भाषा तथा शैली दोनों में सही अर्थ में सम्राट है. Munshi Premchand ji is the emperor in the right sense in both language and style. In every manner, in the both point of view, he is the emperor. In the language as well as the style. Both are excellent indeed. अपनी भाषा तथा शैली दोनों के कारण ही उपन्यास सम्राट का पद पाना उनके लिए आसान रहा. It was easier for him to get the novel Emperor title due to his language and style. These two things only brought him the title an Emperor of the novelist. आप आम जनता की सरल, सहज तथा रुचिकर भाषा का प्रयोग उपन्यास को रुचिकर तथा सफल बनाने में काम आया है. Then the language, some writers will use the very rigid language, high diction. But this novelist, the great novelist, used the common people, easy, understandable, easy comprehensible language. That is a general public language. That made him, this novel interesting as well as made it successful. The use of simple and easy and interesting language of the general public helped in making the novel interesting as well as successful. That is the main thing here. Two notable. Then सामाजिक तथा पारिवारिक यथार्थता उपन्यास को रुचिकर बनाने के साथ साथ उन्नतम बनाने में काम आया है. Social and family reality has helped to make the novel interesting as well as the best one, uplifting, popular, famous. कथोपकथन रुचिकर होने के साथ साथ पात्रों के मनोविकारों को व्यक्त करने में सफल हुए हैं. The narrative, that means the story, besides describing the story very interestingly, he focused on the psychosis of the characters. I mean, the feelings, emotions of the characters. The narrative is interesting as well as being able to convey the characters' emotions, feelings and psychology. That is the Bhasha and Shaili. Now we are come to see the Uddesha. To write any novel, there will be one intention. Every writer will have an intention to write one thing. Some may have here in this novel, the great novelist Munshi Premchand ji intention is, in my opinion, to eradicate the social problems such as dowry system and unmatched and mismatched marriages. That is the main intention. For that only this novel, this entire the story based on that only. Now let us see the Uddesh. That is the intention. सामाजिक कुप्रथाओं पर प्रकाश डालने के साथ साथ मनुष्य मन में नारी के प्रति दया और श्रद्धा भाव उत्पन्न करना उपन्यासकार का उद्देश्य रहा है. The main intention to write this novel is not only to focus on the social and family problems, but to draw the attention of the readers towards the women and the women heart and feelings, and to draw the sympathy, especially sympathy towards the woman and her feelings. That is the main intention. Besides describing the social and family issues and the problems. The next one is दहेज प्रथा की क्रूरता पर प्रकाश डालने के साथ साथ अनबन विवाह से उत्पन्न समस्याओं पर भी उपन्यासकार प्रकाश डालते हैं. He has focused on the social and family problems as well as well narrated, well emphasized on the mismatched marriage problems. That is only main intention. These are two main intentions. One is to eradicate the social issues, that is the dowry system especially. Then unmatched marriage, mismatched marriage, age difference marriages. To eradicate these two things, that is the main intention of this novelist to write this novel. सामाजिक तथा पारिवारिक समस्याओं पर प्रकाश डालकर आपसी प्यार और मनुष्यता पर उपन्यासकार जोर देते हैं. By focusing on social and family issues, the great novelist emphasized and forced to bring the to develop the love and humanity among the people. That is the thing he has done. One side he has focused on the social and family issues. The other side he tried his level best to bring the love and affection between the people, humanity. Now we are coming to see the Shirshak title. We have seen Bhasha Shaili, that is the language and style. Then we have seen the intention. Now we are coming to see the Shirshak title. निर्मला शीर्षक इस उपन्यास के लिए सब प्रकार से उचित है. In every aspect, in every manner, the title निर्मला is well suited. कहानी पूर्ण रूप से निर्मला के जीवन से संबंधित है. In entire the story concentrated only on the life of Nirmala. The story revolves around the Nirmala. आरंभ से अंत तक कहानी उसी के जीवन पर केंद्रित है. From the beginning till the end, the entire story is concentrated on the life of Nirmala. So it is a well suited the title. इसलिए इस उपन्यास के लिए यही शीर्षक सर्वोचित है. Henceforth, the title Nirmala is the best for this novel, because the entire story is about Nirmala and her life and her sad life. शीर्षक कहानी से पूर्ण रूप से संबंधित है. In every way it is related to the story. The title is well related, well connected to the story, isn't it? Nirmala means the main character. The entire story is about the Nirmala only. So it is well connected, well related to the story. Now we are coming to see the last one, Upannas Samrat ka Unnatam Upannas. The emperor of the novelist, the best novelist, Nirmala. निर्मला मुंशी प्रेमचंद के उन्नतम उपन्यासों में एक है. निर्मला इज वन अमंग द बेस्ट नॉवेल्स ऑफ द मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी. कहानी पूर्ण रूप से समाज और परिवार से आधारित है. द स्टोरी इन एवरी वे बेस्ड ऑन द सोशल एंड फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स. सामाजिक तथा पारिवारिक यथार्थता पर आधारित होने के कारण यह उपन्यास सब प्रकार से सराहनीय योग्य बन पड़ा है. As this novel is based on social and family problems, in every aspect it is a very admirable novel. Isn't it? In every way, in every manner, it is very admirable. Whether it is a social way or is a domestical way. सामाजिक प्रकृताओं के साथ साथ पारिवारिक मतभेदों तथा भाव विकारों पर प्रकाश डालकर यह उपन्यास मनुष्य मन को छूता है. This novel touches the heart of the reader by focusing on the social and domestic or the family issues and differences, as well as the feelings, emotions, more, almost all, everything is filled in this novel. Emotions, feelings, and problems, social problems, family problems, everything is well packed in this novel. That touches the heart of the reader. Whoever reads this novel, that touches very effectively. इसलिए पाठकों के मन में अपने लिए एक अलग स्थान पाने में भी उपन्यास सफल सिद्ध हुए. He succeeded to get the very special place in the reader's heart following all these things. The following such, that is the two, focusing on the social issues and family issues and the emphasizing on the human feelings, emotions, all these things. No? In this way, because of all these reasons, he succeeded to get the very special place in the heart of every reader who reads the novel Nirmala. मुंशी प्रेमचंद को उपन्यास सम्राट सिद्ध करने में निर्मला उपन्यास का स्थान काफी प्रशंसनीय है. This Nirmala novel is very admirable and it enhanced the novelist to get the title emperor novelist and an emperor of the novelist. It enhanced. This novel brought him that title. इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं. There is no doubt in that. मनुष्य का जीवन, मनुष्य के जीवन से संबंधित अनेक समस्याएं, दहेज प्रथा, आर्थिक समस्याएं, अनमेल विवाह, पारिवारिक समस्याएं आदि पर प्रकाश डालकर निर्मला उपन्यास पारिवारिक तथा सामाजिक उपन्यास सिद्ध हुआ है. How this novel became as a social and family problem related oriented novel is that these are focusing on all these things. It became the social and family problem related novel. What are those? One is मनुष्य का जीवन, man's life, human life. मनुष्य के जीवन से संबंधित अनेक समस्याएं, all those problems related to the human life, man's life. दहेज प्रथा, that is a dowry system. आर्थिक समस्याएं, economical problems, अनमेल विवाह, mismatched marriage, unmatched marriage. पारिवारिक समस्याएं, family, domestical problems आदि पर इत्यादि. Means all this, by focusing on all these things, this novel became a social and family oriented related novel. That is the main thing. Now we have come to know in this storyline of the Nirmala Ek Jhalak. I hope you might have understood the relevant of this story and the many more things what I have seen today. If you are satisfied with my explanation, share with your friends and relatives. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for being with me till the end. Till the next upload, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz.